Hello everyone, my name is Nafis, and our group have chosen the independent parking system. So for the introduction, in most urban areas in Malaysia, we often find that it is hard for us to find a vacant parking space, especially during peak hours and over the weekends. Most places are congested with people driving to get to their destination. Similar to UTP, it is very hard for the students to find a parking spot near the academic blocks. Even if we do, some parking spaces are already designated to the staff or the higher management. The reason for this is we have limited parking spaces that are unable to cater to the number of cars in the campus at a particular time. In order to solve this problem, our group will come up with a proposed design for an independent car parking system.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Saifuddin bin Aznam. I will explain about the problem statement of our project. Our project entails us to design an independent car parking system by using what we had been studied during the semester. The question is, why independent car parking system, not dependent car parking system? The reason is, independent car parking system is more convenient and efficient to the society, but currently there are only one design that fulfill those conditions, which is the parkline solution. Hence, it has become our responsibility as mechanical engineering students to design a new design about an independent car parking system so that society can benefit from it.
Next, we move to the methodology part. General. The study aims to propose a proper design of an independent car parking system. To design a parking system, there are a few elements that we need to consider. The first one is the mechanism. To design an independent parking system, we need to determine what kind of mechanism that we should use, how does the mechanism works, and is the machine maintenance easy to work out. The second is the cost of the material, and the cost of the maintenance. The third one is the material. The material must be strong enough to hold a car. For data collection, for this report, there are two types of data, which is primary data and secondary data. For primary data, we use focus group discussion. It is a form of qualitative research where questions are asked about their perception, attitude, belief, or opinions and idea. For secondary data, there are reports and journal. Journal article is sometimes called a scientific article, a peer-reviewed article, or a scholarly research article.
Hello, my name is Iqbal. Now, I will explain about our proposed design. Basically, our design have used the concept of two-point synthesis of coupler. This is our proposed design. We decide to use two pivots to attach to the platform. The platform will go down 90 degrees to let other cars to go on. This design can fill only for two cars at one time, as we can see in this example. In this diagram, it shows that only two cars can be filled in the independent parking system at one time. Unfortunately, we got some software problem and the time for fixing the problem is not enough, so we cannot show the simulation of our design.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anas and I will conclude our report. As mentioned earlier in our report, the current design of independent car parking system has two problems, which are the low capacity of parking lots and also the current one taking a lot of space. The design that our group were working on was able to solve both problems. The first problem, which is the problem of taking a lot of space, our design was meant to be built upward, so it can save a lot of space compared to the current one.